Hello, my kindred spirits. Welcome to Fairyling Cottage. This is part 2 of a 2-part series of painting things to go in frames I found in Goodwill. In last week's video, I painted this painting to go in the cottagecore picture frame, and this week I'm going to be painting something for the other frame, which is more light academia themed, or kind of cottage academia, I guess. I wanted to paint something that went with the broken stone and roses, so I decided on painting a stone head bust flower pot. I'm still using the same watercolor kit from last time, as it worked so well and I wanted to get used to using it. As always, I started off by sketching out my design, and I started painting once I was satisfied with how the sketch looked. I still made some changes here and there while painting, which you may notice. Overall, I just painted freely and did whatever I felt like would look nice. here we go. Here's the finished painting. Now to put it in a frame. I needed to measure out about how much I needed to cut since the opening is an oval. So I just put the glass onto the painting, roughly traced the shape with a little extra space just in case, and cut that out. I ended up having to trim a bit more, but eventually I got it to a size that would fit the frame well enough. Here's the painting in the frame. Now both frames are filled with paintings that fit their theme, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. At the time of editing this video, I've already moved into my dorm, and I brought these frames with me, and dare I say they look really nice. Thank you for joining, friends, and I'll see you in the next video.